The mountains of western North Carolina, a mysterious and beautiful region, has just been reminded of the fury of Mother Nature. Most recently, the rivers rose and floods furiously raced down the valleys, clearing everything in its path. A source of abundance and life turned into a terrifying wave of destruction and death. Everything was seemingly erased as it claimed houses and lives. In this instance, the human spirit has been rejuvenated. Rivers now have unveiled rock bed, which has been underwater for millennia. New waterfalls form, rivers rerouted, and everywhere you look there is beauty amidst the chaos. Out with the old, and in with the new. It's time for us to band together and rebuild this area. The human spirit will once again collaborate and build back stronger than ever before. People have formed a new sense of alliance. We, the people, take care of our own. A place that usually attracts millions of people annually from all around the globe. A new spirit of healing is upon the mountains, flourishing like never before. It's up to us, the people, to start building back a stronger future.
You can go online, go to our store, and buy shirts, hoodies, which hoodies is a big thing now. It's called For People This Happened To.
Tranquil beauty remains here in the middle of the destruction. Water levels reached an unprecedented level as rivers rushed a mighty 130 miles per hour, carrying devastating hazardous debris like cars, trees, even houses. Life for people here will never be the same.
For volunteers and for people serving right now.
I mean, that's pretty cool. I like that. Yeah.
We're reminded of the values this country was founded upon in times like these. Just how precious the balance of life really is, and how banding together to help one another leads to true freedom.
Where we the people do it, and we find a way to fund it ourselves.
The powerful human spirit of collaboration is what built this place, and it's what's needed to bring it back to life. It starts with the little things, done consistently enough. Those little actions lead to major life changes.
Trying to figure out how we get Western North Carolina to come together and rebuild this ourselves and fund it. So.
Well, that's beautiful. We want to help everybody. That's the key.
It is our responsibility to take care of our people here in this beautiful region. Some things will just never be the same. It's times like these that show us just how fragile everything really is, but how strong we can be when we join forces for the greater good. Join us in the fight to unite and band together as we begin to rebuild Western North Carolina. By the people, for the people. We are WNC Strong.